morning students. This is the last module for revision of chapter Basic Concepts of Economics. Today we are going to discuss two topics, investment and business cycle. Okay, investment is the act of using money for production of capital goods. See, for production we need machine, equipment, tools, plant. Okay, what are plant? They are big manufacturing units. So for the process of production we need machine, tool, equipment, plant. These are called capital goods. Okay, so investment is the act of using the money or the resources to produce those capital goods which are required in the process of production. इन्वेस्टमेंट का मतलब है मनी यूज करके मशीन खरीदना, टूल्स खरीदना, इक्विपमेंट खरीदना, so that we are able to produce goods using that machine, tool and equipment. Okay, now investment also means the act of adding to the existing stock of machine, equipment, tools. If I say that I am having a factory, in the starting of the year I had 10 machines and at the end of the year I had 25 machines. Okay, I am saying that in my factory I had 10 machines in the starting and at the end I had 25 machines. So how many machines have been added? 15 machines. So investment is also the act of adding to the existing stock of machine, equipment and tools. Okay, साल की शुरुआत में 10 मशीन थी, साल के एंड में 25, so 15 और मशीन खरीदी. That is also termed as investment. There are three components of investment. First one is producer's fixed investment. When the producers invest in buying those machine, tool, equipment, whatever is required for the process production, it is called producer's fixed investment. So whenever a producer buy those things that are required for production, that is called producer's fixed investment. Second one is investment in residential and non-residential building. You can see any locality wherein houses are there. Okay, that is investment in a residential building for the purpose of living. And when a person or a producer buys non-residential building, he invests in non-residential building, it is for office purposes. Okay, buildings, offices, all these comes under non-residential buildings. The last topic is investment in stock. There are three kind of stocks. Okay. The last topic is stocks. There are basically three kinds of stock. Stock of raw material, stock of semi-finished goods and stock of finished goods. Okay. So three categories of stock are there. So these are also termed as investment. Stock of raw material, stock of semi-finished goods and stock of finished goods. The next topic is business cycle. Business cycle is called the recurrent fluctuations in the economic activities of an economy. Okay, economy is not the same every time. Like the present situation is a situation where recession is going to happen. Okay, there will be unemployment, there will be less production, okay, less output, less income. So this, our economy is going to the recession phase where everything is going to be less. Okay, the economy will have a falling trend. Now the simple concept is economy is not the same always. Okay, so there are some fluctuations in the aggregate economic activity of any economy, and there are four phases of business cycle: expansion, recession, depression and recovery. The first stages are expansion, a very good phase; recession, when things are going to be a little slow; depression, and then is. Now check the diagram, students. Time, economic activity, you make the diagram. Okay, this is meant to be the expansion stage where there is an increase. Okay, Peak is the highest position. Recession is the downfall. Depression is a very bad phase. And then there is recovery, a steady recovery. Okay. Expansion means increase. Peak is the highest state of the economy. Recession is downfall of the economy. Depression is large fall in income, output and employment. And recovery is the steady and slowly recovering of the economy. Now, whenever we are going to explain the words, there are three keywords mentioned for it. The keywords are output, income and employment. What are the three keywords? Output, income and employment. And in your answer, whenever you are explaining these four terms, these four concepts, the three keywords output, income and employment should be there. Okay. So expansion is a phase when there is increase in output, income and employment. See, the three terms output, income and employment are interchangeably used. They are linked with each other. Output means production. When there will be production, there will be income. When there is income, there will be employment. So these three are interlinked. Output means more production. When there will be more production, there will be more income. And when there is more income, there will be more employment. Okay. So these three words are interlinked. Expansion is a large increase in output, income and employment. Your answer must have this. Recession is a sustained period of fall in output, income and employment. After the peak, the activity starts to fall. The output, income and employment starts to fall. Okay. Depression. The term depression denotes large fall in output, income and employment. The three keywords are mentioned again and again. Depression means large fall in output, income and employment. And recovery means steady and slow increase in output, income and employment. You can see the economy is coming up again. Okay. Expansion, recession, depression, recovery. After depression, that is large fall in increase in income, slowly the economy will come out of depression. It will recover. Recovery is also called revival stage. Okay. So there is steady increase in output, income and employment. This is all about business cycle, students, and basic concepts of economics revision is over today. Please watch the modules. In case you have any doubt in any of the concepts, please let me know. You can comment in the box below. Okay. Students, try to study from this digital learning, and moreover, stay at home, stay safe.